Good afternoon, YouTubers. I tried my hand at making a really quick, simple project, but it's a Tesla turbine. And it's got many of these little discs. I didn't know how well it would work being 3D printed. It does have like little holes through it. It's not exactly, I could adjust my settings on my printer, but this thing actually works alright. Got several of these discs. I had to take one out because I didn't do my clearances correctly. But here I got my little air duster, and even on the first setting, you can hear it spool up quite a bit. Uh-oh. The shaft don't work. It's way free. It would have taken a long time to slow down, but yeah, that shaft done came free. Oh well. Maybe I'll do another one. Hold on. Alright, I'm back with the shaft in place again. Here we go. All the way to 3 this time. I'm sure that thing is just spinning in there. I'm surprised it's holding together. Well, anyways, thanks for checking out my project. Hope y'all have a great day.